Okay, hello everyone, Sachin Tale here, your spoken English trainer, and welcome to words list number, vocabulary list number 4. So, this is fourth video in this, and then we have got exercise and story and all these things, but it is basically vocabulary list number 4. Two have been uploaded, three have been uploaded, and this is number 4. So, let's get started. So, very first word over here is loud. Okay, so it's an adjective. Loud is an adjective. If a sound is loud, it is strong and very easy to hear. मतलब हम कहते हैं ना उसका वॉइस लाउड था. लाउड इज लाइक बड़ा. सो इफ अ साउंड इज लाउड, इट इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वेरी इजी टू हियर. मतलब बड़ा और आसानी से सुना जा सकता है अगर कोई चीज़ लाउड है तो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मैन्स वॉइस वॉज सो लाउड दैट वी ऑल कुड हियर हिम. ओके, उस इंसान की आवाज़ इतनी लाउड थी कि हम सब लोग उसको सुन सके. और आई थिंक आई शुड have a loud voice so that you all will be able to listen what I am saying here. Okay, so these are the examples of loud. L-O-U-D. Next word is nervous. N-E-R-V-O-U-S. Okay, so let me just yeah, so N-E-R-V-O-U-S, nervous. Nervous is an adjective. When a person is nervous, they think something bad will happen. Okay, if you have a problem in spelling, like if you misspell the words, if you don't know the spellings, so I would recommend you should carry a notebook and pen, and when I'm teaching, listen to me and like write down these words in a notebook, because once you write them, your chances of writing the spelling next time, correct spelling, are far more. So that would be better. So you should practice writing as well. So nervous. When a person is nervous, they think something bad will happen. जब इंसान नर्वस होता है तो उसे लगता है कुछ बुरा होगा. आपको पता होगा ये फीलिंग कि जब हम स्टेज पे जाते हैं बात करने तो हमें लगता है मैं भूल जाऊंगा और समथिंग सो दैट पर्टिकुलर फीलिंग इज कॉल्ड नर्वस और नर्वसनेस हम कहते हैं. और हम कहते हैं कि ही इज़ नर्वस और शी इज़ नर्वस. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बॉय बिकेम नर्वस व्हेन ही हर्ड द न्यूज़. Why did the boy become nervous? And when did he become nervous? When he heard the news. When I went on the stage for the first time, I became nervous. I was nervous. Or I think we should not be nervous when we go for an interview. But we can't help it. It happens. Okay. So the next word is noise. N-O-I-S-E, noise. Noise is a noun. A noise is an unpleasant sound. एक unpleasant जो मतलब प्लेजेंट नहीं है, ऐसा जो साउंड, ऐसी आवाज़ को हम नॉइस कहते हैं. द क्राइंग बेबी मेड अ लाउड नॉइस. ओके, और दैट सम जनरेटर और सम मशीन इज मेकिंग अ लाउड नॉइस एंड इट्स वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग. सो दैट इज नॉइस. देन नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज प्रोजेक्ट. P-R-O-J-E-C-T, project. Now what do we mean by project? Noun. So project is a noun. Project is a type of work that you do for school or job. School के लिए या job के लिए आपको एक काम दिया जाता है and that is called project. So his afternoon work project was to paint the room green. His afternoon work project was to paint the room green. उसका जो दोपहर का project था वो क्या था? To उस room को green color देना, to paint the room green. Okay? और my project in the school was to collect the information or something like that. So it's a project. My project is to train people for spoken English, to teach people English language. So that's my project, something like this. Now the next word is scare. S-C-A-R-E, scare. Scare is a verb. And what does the word scare mean? To scare someone is to make them feel afraid. Okay, to scare someone means to make them feel afraid, मतलब डराना किसी को. So my uncle was scared by what he saw in the room. जो मेरे अंकल ने रूम में देखा उससे वो डर गए थे. So my uncle was scared, right? When I saw the snake, I was scared. We can ask someone, what scares you the most? What scares you the most में तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा डर किससे लगता है, right? So the next word is secret. S-E-C-R-E-T, secret. A secret is something that you do not tell other people. A secret is something that you do not tell other people. Secret मतलब कोई गुप्त बात होती है, कोई रहस्य वाली बात होती है जब किसी को बताते नहीं हो, right? So that is called secret. S-E-C-R-E-T. So after the secret, the two boys were sharing a secret, right? मतलब दो लड़के secret share करते. So have you ever shared your secrets with your friends? I think we are not supposed to, we should not share our secrets with our friends, something like that. So these can be the examples. Now the next word is shout, shout. Shout is a verb. And what does the word shout mean? To shout is to say something loudly, मतलब चिल्लाना, जोर से बोलना. You know, my boss shouted at me because I was late for work. मैं लेट हुआ था काम को, इसलिए मेरे जो बॉस है वो मेरे पर चिल्लाए. I think we should not shout at small children. They really get scared. You know, वो डर जाते हैं. So we should not shout at children. Do you shout at others? Why do you always shout at others? Can't you be calm and cool? Something like that, right? Next word is smell, smell. Smell is a verb. To smell something means to use your nose to sense it. मतलब सूंघना, you know, सुगंध लेना, that is smell. So to smell something means to use your nose to sense it. The two friends smelled the flower. दो दोस्तों ने फ्लावर को स्मेल किया. I love to smell roses. जो गुलाब होते हैं ना, उनकी खुशबू लेना मुझे बड़ा पसंद है. So that is smell. Terrible. Next word is terrible. Terrible. Terrible is an adjective. So if something is terrible, it is very bad. बहुत बुरा जो होता है तो उसको हम कहते हैं terrible. So the way he treated his classmate was terrible. जिस तरह से उसने उसके classmate को treat किया वो terrible था, बहुत बुरा था. I guess your performance in that program was terrible. Oh, she spoke terrible English. उसने बहुत बुरी English बोली. Okay. The video I watched yesterday was terrible, or whatever it may be, like that song is terrible. तो कोई भी चीज़ very bad, बहुत बुरा बोलना है तो आप कहते हैं terrible. Now the next word is worse, worse, worse. If something is worse, it is of poorer quality than another thing. मतलब दूसरी चीज़ से ये थोड़ी कम क्वालिटी का, नीचे दर्जा का ऐसा कुछ होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिजनेस वॉज वर्स दिस मंथ दैन लास्ट मंथ. इस महीने, पिछले महीने से की तुलना में इस महीने में बिजनेस बुरा था. यू नो, द मूवी आई वॉच्ड यस्टरडे वॉज वर्स दैन द मूवी विच आई वॉच्ड 2 days back, something like this, right? So here we have completed vocabulary list number 4. See you in the next video. Bye bye. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do it.